Hello, in front of me I've got DDPAI Z50. In this video I'll show you the camera preview. Firstly, let's take a look at the front of the camera. Right here we've got this small display and 4 buttons. Thanks to this button we can click it to return. This button allows us to set the settings. This button allows us to go to album, and this button allows us to lock the camera. Here on the side we've got the micro SD slot and microphone. Here we can find some information about our camera and 2 speakers. On the top of the camera we can find USB-C charging port and mini jack. Let's turn the camera on. In order to do it, you have to plug the USB-C cable, which is provided in the original box, to the camera, and the second part of the cable you have to connect to power outlets in your car. Camera will turn on automatically. Now we have to insert SD card. To do this, open the lid of micro SD slot. And now insert the SD card right here. Now take a look at the text. Installation recommendation. Installation position impacts ADAS alerts. Kindly refer to installation recommendation. Align to horizon and then go to the right. Confirm. And that's it. Our camera is set up. Now we can enable microphone or disable it. We can go to settings. Here we can manage screen settings, recorder and universal settings. Next we can go to album. And then we can lock the camera. Press this button again to unlock it. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.